Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing Subway Surfers. Let's go. Okay, we got Grandpa behind us. We're going to cook him. This is going pretty slow. Never mind the other voices. Bro, this is going so slow. We need to go. Come on, YouTube. I'm going to cook these kids real quick. Holy shoot, I almost just got trucked. Alright, train coming, we're gonna block it,
I got 100 on my pad test.
Never mind that, baby. Alright, I'm pretty locked in right now. We got Grandpa behind us.
I need this. My mom's got it.
Oh shoot! Okay, we made it. I'm making a YouTube video right now. No one cares, will ya? Alright. Doing pretty good. Bro, this is too easy. Yo, we might win. Yo, can you win Subway Surfers?
I got that this way.
Oh, we just cooked. Oh, we got caught. Hey, it's fine.
No, right here. I missed it.
Look how much I made from that.
Mr. Reindeer, bro.